But he has a very fascinating observation in that song. Nigaga ati machemanirie na jitu mudume wa rume ari angi akimwitia kamurigo na agicoka akimwira rehega kamwana wakwa gaka ni kamucukani. So maybe there is exchange that happens between the Jesus and the devil. So when you are good, Satan says, come here, you belong to Christ. And when you are bad, Jesus says that come here,
you belong to Satan.
You belong to Satan. And there is that NSE, Nairobi Stock Exchange, where they exchange.
Money market.
Is that one? Sometimes by the way, I don't know go quick kana makamenya gatiriri. Ni kuri hinda ria rita kuhinda ria. Na ni kuri hinda ria gwetha thayo. Tondu let me tell you kata, wina hinda wina tho nyingi, you look for peace. Wanyita. Ugituika ati ni uthirukirio ni tho nyingi. Wapagiriria gwetha ki? Thayo no gacoka kambia gwetha kindu gitagwo allies. Tondu hatiri undu ungi because nduri iko atakurwa na maundu throughout. Tari maundu mari ari twina motha ici. Ni ra imagine tari uciana iria utwikira kigeranio badia gya Kepsea na guku ndikane na kunero bago ndikane na kou na kou maikarire kigeranio kiu. Mwana ucio akorwe waku ndaikarira kigeranio gya Kepsea thukuru wa registered. Mwanyi Tikio. Manita. The directors. Have not registered in the school. With the neck. Mega kera ndio kiriku. Kiu. Manita. Why ni ucio ri mwana wa kure ndi ainuka no mene kirekire. Ni ainuka. Mundu is very down. Wangari waku inuka down ni oru muno tondu ni kwamenyeka
ati kigeranio kira mekire ni badia cukuru wa registered.
Na nyina ngari ni amenya uhoro ucio nwanyita na thini wa hakiri ciake ri ena uhoti na to ti hakiri ni ciake thini wake ena uhoti ati no hota kudiru na issue ya mwana uyu kana nyina abro ni kota kudiru na issue ya mwana uyu na horire muhiki ubite no mundu ne guo kororaga riu ha no nginya wambe utigane na aria mombitwo na aria matumagirwo bia wambe utigane na wambe o deal na issue
ya mwana waku
na kile kile tumajugi oguo ri there was somebody today who gave me a very interesting story about his brother na murwanyi nari that is as you are speaking today. Matiraranderia na mutumia. Wake. No rore mathina maria twina mokata. Urore mathina maria twina mo nginya ma payslip. Urore mathina maria twina mo ma mwagi wa mbura. Ati na tha ici kwi mundu tu urafodi kurega gukora ati matiraranderia. Ciana cie mucie niturarigwo me kuri aki right now ni hinde tariro na itakwire turigete gwika ati tugaikara ugo tugiranire na nyina wamburu ndaregire ni tondu ari
chance yo atiri
mathina mage kirimo maingi nyambe ndwe na macio maya ndamurire ngemwira ati tuguikara ugo riu kuri mane ndathie kuhitagirio kandikaga handu
we na kuria thutha
ria gukahorera ri ukanjikaria thi
kana ukamanyitithania
ukanjikaria thi no riu tha ici ti tha cia kuranio cereirwo ko no cio kuhoreire thimu no anyita ti tha cia kurio na mutumia na kiacereirwo ko I'm telling you we have a lot. It's too much. Riu ri ona kira kirakigiria mananirie ri no kaundu kahuthu this guy received a very nice present. From a lady. Who is outside the country. Somewhere in England. And huyu naye Poro naye anaenda kuambia bibi yake ati ametumiwa nini?
Zawadi.
Yes sir. Mzuri sana. Titha iria cia mahiga.
Asa.
No hetha iria cia mahiga. Itha by the ni mithe kwitha iria cia mahiga ti icio.
Asa.
Ni kuri tha ingi cietagwo cia majira muthuri. Na still no kuri tha ingi. Etagwo ya majira no nio ikaga atia.
Kagira majira.
Kagira majira.
Ndutindaga nyigi.
Yes. Ugia kiroru hata giki. Nio thiurire. Iyo nio setaga kila kindu. Iyo nio riu hau amekira guoko uri urathie ri. Nigu urathie ikaga atia.
Kagira majira.
Ndaragitumirwo teo.
Yes. Which are very expensive.
Of course. Of course.
Yes.
All the way from outside the country. So the watch for you.
Yes.
Yeah, it came by air. Yes. Na irarihirwo. Niracokara kinyirio. Yes. Reu nake uyu ri.
Mundu mukigu.
Tutige mwitogu. Reu nake uyu ri. Arageciria gwaka mucii ri.
Ni guthie gukorwo ari open.
Ni ukiaria ma.
Karamwita mundu mukigu.
Emuritu toruta wira nake.
Athire kure UK.
Ndathire kure UK. And there was another friend of his and also my friend. Urari na kou. Na arakimutuma na tha eno. This wristwatch.
It looks nice.
Yeah. Ino ni tha ya nguvu.
Ni njega hi. Karai kore heire ro tha i, agutuma ro tha ike.
Reu we ndurona tha uria i njega.
Ni njega.
Now they are not in talking terms.
Yes.
Yeah. Because the woman is ugly.
Yes.
Yes. Because of the present. Atumia nao matigaga ndio ndimenyaga thina ona cuka. You never know. Wathigerio no wathigerio.
Akawa wega.
Monane. Umeoro atha.
See, there are some of these things. Yet ni ondo moru kana ne crime. Yeah, but some of these things just keep quiet.
No, you are supposed to tell her.
Why?
The why?
Uramwira nigethe eke atia.
Si ajue.
Atia ati ni kihewa he atumiro ne mutumia ongi.
Exactly.
Atumeiri andu othe akaigania gutumira andu ao agatumira arata ari angi.
You are becoming a woman. Stop becoming a woman. No, you are becoming a Stop becoming a woman.
No, you see,
be a man with contrite heart.
No, angikorwo mundu ni andu ni mana gutire undu mwina guo nake na ona gutire ona muti mwakorwo
gutakiri
no murata tu na kou uguo riki mwacemanĩtie handu kana ona mundu mwaragia nake agutumira kiheo agutumira ko ni thaka ni thimu ka kire agutumira ri
kinya thimu kama tumaga thimu.
Yes, they said a phone. They said you have phone, the iPhone I think you need to 14
ciakwa ciothe ni ciakwigurira na ni arata na kou.
Then you need to know who you friends are.
Ciakwa ciothe ni thiete nduka. Koguo ni matumaga thimu.
Ezizibira arata kunia. Akagurire gatha kega kana gathimu kana kindu ta kabel.
Yes.
Kana kirato.
Yes.
Yani kana gacati.
Oneho.
Kindu kiria gituika ati ni agutumira kana kawale. Agutumira ri. You don't have to go to explain to your wife.
No.
Ati gaka ndumirwo ni mundu wetagwo Susan twatutaga wira nake ku.
Of course.
Agatweka why?
That is enough.
Because you see, are mutumia ni akurigwo atiriri. Acagura andu othe Kenya ona we nowe ubataire kuheo kiheo giake gia tha.
Yeni.
Na wacoka woka mucie kunjira no wakwa ni ungiatinda ukini explainira.
She needs to know.
No, you can just tell me.
No,
I bought this phone. Nani oria.
Why are you lying?
You're not lying. Urenda kumuturithia ngoro niki?
No, let me ask you a simple question. What is the opposite of truth? Answer without lying.
It's lying.
Thank you. So when you are not telling the truth, you are lying.
No, but
you see, ways about it.
But you can decide to remain silent.
No,
decide kwa utidoki ukiuga ati.
We nada.
Eni akoria no okorwa kinyerete. It's a present from a friend.
No, I'm asking. Mutumia ni arona we nada.
Na ni oe ndwikagira tha kana nwoka na tha muthenya ucio kana ti area wikagira
kana nwoka na thimu
na ti thimu area ukoragwo nayo
akuria atiriri thimu ino waruta ku
Yes.
Ukumwira
atiriri, by the way, giki ni kiheo ndumirwo ni my friend gukoragwo kuria UK.
Yagikuria no ucio.
No, just a friend. It's my friend.
No, there is not just a friend.
No,
it's nini.
It's my friend kuma UK.
Yes.
No, undumirire kana kuma US.
Akurieta gwate umwire atia?
Okay, thondeka ritwa na horo cio thire hau.
No, you are lying now. You are lying now. You are lying now.
Angikorwo maheni ni megutuma aiganire ri.
No, I ain't lying.
Handu hariri, handu jarie ma.
No, at this age, I ain't lying at this age. I ain't lying. I'm going to heaven. I ain't compromising with lies. No, me, I'm going to heaven.
Aiko go henire gutuma igwe kora kuiganire ri. Ndakora ndo etagwo
nie maheni maria matigarite ni ma mundu wija wa family yakwa macio ni mo matigaru
not family
wanyuma na kuu neko kwera tundu twiri tuthatu no tigwako
etagwo Jack athire akoragwo kuria UK
no ni rindi uramwita Jack niki
yes etagwo Jack ni atumire murata wakwa urokaga it was a surprise tondu ni twaragia nake no ndieciragia ati no akinye kundumira
Jack agigituika atia Jack Wanjiru agituika atia Jack na ni Wanjiru
nigetha ndereti yo ekinye hau angikorwo kuri gutuma kwaga guthukia.
And how would you feel in your heart?
No, I've been knowing it is Wanjiru who sent me the watch.
So how would you feel?
No, nothing.
You won't feel like a sinner?
No, nothing. Nothing. I know she is contented, but I lied to her.
Taira pa ya fathagadari. Ndemwera atigire gwitigira mehia. Ndemwera kirira kiria giothe akugire wakugithirie. Nairobi kia hurwo ta burau. No, you tell the truth.
Omwele ure okinye tu ambe omwele okinye kwanza ina ka box yoguo.
Yes.
Haya uthie mwele there is a present here I want us to open together.
No, diko mwele we open together. But I will open it. I'll see his watch.
Yes.
In fact, I wear it.
Yeah. Mucokeri wa ni wainuka riu.
Yes.
Wainuka riu one ni wina thati iria wikagira.
Exactly. Yes.
Wamba mwire kana weterere akurie.
Ndiage ndagukinjuria.
Haya akurie. Aya wina tha njeru.
Ni na ndimwira ni njaga muno no by the way na ni akuma Ruraya. From abroad.
Atia.
Ni Ruraya no by the way ona kinyire umuthi ni ni ndahikaga na kumehingura. Ona ndimigananitie mathaa ma Kenya bende miganani. No kama na ni amajire no.
Aya.
Na timane magutinda maguka nayo. Mane majira mayo yenyewe. Ekaguka namo.
Na kapo it looks very expensive.
Very good.
Very classy.
I'm very classy and expensive.
No gutumeire yo.
A friend of mine from Missouri.
Etagwo atia?
Etagwo Nancy.
Aya okona ni muhiki.
Atiri ti muhiki ni mutumia.
Ni guta undu umwe rito ukiuria ndirakiuria
gigikoine ni hari utiganu. Gigikoine ni hari utiganu.
Ndigukiuria ka ucio nake ndinda muigua kimugwete no sawa.
Ucio twarutaga wira nake. Kuria kwendia makandamia agicoka we no amamukagira riu na kuria ithuĩ tutiagitigania na wira ucio. Ni sawa. Ni sawa. Koro yakwa ni yathera.
No riu we wari wa mutigatiriri. Nancy ri.
Aciaritwo ni ithe na nyina. Aciarirwo nake. Kau uria wikana information iyo ri. Me I'm not concerned. I'm going to heaven. I ain't going to hell because of another human being. I ain't. No, I refuse to be dragged.
Autiga kiambiriria kuuria Nancy. Ndareigua ukiaria uhoro wa Nancy. Ro amugweta. Na ungena mundu Ruraya arakirugaga utumira present especially nowadays tena ndo ni mathiaga uguo mundu agaikara magatuma tu present uguo andu na mena ku
riu nake negwe uria atiriri to ni ndatumirwo theo ri niki kingika kinene mundu Ruraya
December ni rakinya na andu a Ruraya ni moka
nyamukirite iheo cigana cia andu aguku
mwana na ndeire
iheo nyamukirite cigana kiu gituike ati ni kiramugia nikio ndakwira kwina mathina maingi muno matangireka wambirie gwiciria uhoro wa maundu ta macio. Yes, and then be a truthful man.
Yes
na titoria truthful like truthful. Yeah, like telling it the way it is. And life nigatha riria riuka gukwiria kuria umuria tiriri thae no wendaga ati ndimite na riu ndina control ya mutumini wa kiheo ndina control
atiriri no nginya ngiatindire ukihe details ati yatumirwo ni Nancy Molta wira nake kwa makadamia ndukianjirie just a friend na riu nie ndiatindanire ati a friend agaki kwenjerera no nginya ngiokire unjire atumirwo ni Nancy Molta wira nake nigetha njigue ni mutumia ungi
kari hindi uramenya
nigetha coka unju wambirie kunjuragia kai nie njira ukugurira ki
atiriri riu inegene riu ria muthemba ucio na miaka yaku ri ni imepitwa esi mtu akupiga kelele aina hiyo
ati sababu ya kitu ya kununuliwa
mtu amenunuliwa kitu na mwanamke mwingine hapo anapiga kelele
ne kuria ndiroria tiriri ni njui ni ndo ingi ciothe ukigurirwo na mukiaragia nigetha igakinya cia kuguranira iheo ri mwaritie ndeto ingi iriku
ihana tawe uguragirwo gakira katambe Diana tawe Diana die tawe cia kwena ndonyonagia ona ndwaragia na nä njå no wamukagira
no akora nä nyamukagira no igua maundu mothe mako mahitia maku riu nä mambä ria gutuä ka makwa
wä må ndå wa thitani nä twamukagira
Kameme Classifieds.